It breaks my heart, my brothers and sisters, when a mother came to me not very long ago, and she says to me, my 12-year-old son, listen to what he says to his mother. It's a Somali boy, 12 years old, who lives in South Sea. He says to his mother that you will go to hellfire. And one day his mother was going for treatment to India. And he said to his mother, I hope that you go and die there and you do not come back to us. Wallahi qalat li, she said this to me. And I saw this boy with my own two eyes. Can you imagine speaking such words to your mother? This was the topic of my khutbah on Friday. And after the khutbah, listen to this. I met a brother and he told me, this is within his family circle. He knows a relative who lives with his wife and his mother. But he only sits with his wife to eat with her. لا يجلس مع أمه أبدا. He does not sit to eat with his mother. And he always gives priority to his wife and he gives her preferential treatment. So the mother, obviously, she feels pain. And she has nowhere to go. She has to live under his roof. So, listen. When the mother raises issue, he said to his mother, listen to what he said to his mother. He says, why do you keep on complaining about my wife? Do you want me to sleep with you? And wallahi, the mother said, like as if he put a knife in my heart. And wallahi, لم تنسى هذه الكلمات حتى ماتت. She did not forget these words until the day she